Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a NUBIA Red Magic 5S. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Then need close ads. And now from the list choose your application. Maybe YouTube will be nice. So choose your application. Now from the library choose your icon. Maybe this one like Android. And in the top right corner we got OK button. So tap it. And wait a second for generating new icon. Then need close ads a few times maybe. And now press add automatically to home screen. And we got success message, so go to our home screen. And here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.